Hi guys, welcome back with the additional with extra puzzle. The additional of the today's news paper of Saturday. Yes, it's weekend, Saturday, August the 27th, 2022. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku tomorrow, the 2-star Sudoku tomorrow, Sudoku with 3 stars today, Sudoku with 4 stars today, Tectonic with 4 stars today, Tectonic with 1 star tomorrow, and the binary for today. So 4 puzzles I will do. The rest of the puzzles tomorrow, because tomorrow it's Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. So I will do the rest of the puzzles for tomorrow. Yes, but first, Sudoku with 3 stars. Number 5081. Yeah, 5081. Let me position the camera. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But when you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you need more time to solve. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here only one. We have here 1, 2 twos. We have here 1, 2, 3 threes, 3 fours, 1 5, 2 sixes, 3 sevens, 4 eights, and 4 nines. So the 8s and the 9s are in majority. Alright, so maybe I can start with the 8. Yes, 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. On the last column, no need 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So on the last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. How about the 9 then? 9 in the last column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the middle row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. Yeah. Well, I cannot continue with the 9 now. Yeah, let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. Alright. 7. Oh, 4 sevens. So 7s are also in majority. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the last column. So no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column. 7 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see here 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between. Oh, cannot fill the 7. Need to wait. How about the 9 again? 9, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9. 9, 9. 9, 9. No. Let me choose another digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and a 5. 4, 6, 5. Okay. Ay, 6, 6, 6, 6. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the third column, so no 6 in these two boxes. Here, 6 in the last row, so no 6 in those two boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those two boxes in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, the only two places left for the 6 will be here or there. We see here 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. All right. 1, 1, 4, and 5. Okay. 1, 1. Let me think. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the first row, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Okay. All right. And now, 7, 1. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 1, 7, 9, 1, 7, 9. And look, we have a 1 and a 7 in the second column, so no 1 and a 7 in this box. The 1 and 7 goes in those two boxes as appear. 1 and 7, 1 and a 7. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 9. All right, 9. Okay. Then 1, 1, 4 and a 5. Okay, 4 and 5. Need to wait for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here, 4 in the last row, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between the middle row, sorry, not the middle row, the row between, the only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be here. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 5 goes there. Now we have a 6 here in this column. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 6. Now we have a 6 here in the second column. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6. Now 1 box left in this first column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Oh, wait. 1 box left in the third column for number 1. Yeah, the 1. 1 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Then 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the third row, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. Alright, 1, 7, 5. Then. Yeah. I'm thinking 2 missing numbers. 2 and 3. Well, need to wait. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. 2, 2. 1, 2, 5. 2, 5. No. What the 8? Yeah, do I have all the 8s? Yeah, the 8s are used. 9. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 3, 3, 3, 3. Come on, come on, come on. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. No. But a 7. No, 7. I'm thinking. Thinking. 6, 6, yeah. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we see here 6 in this column. So no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we see here 6 in the third row. So no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Okay. And then 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here 3 in this column, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. And look, we have a 2 in the last column. So no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. So the 1 and the 5 are left. Let me mark those 1 and 5, 1 and 5. 2 missing numbers in the last column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in the middle row for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4 in the first row, so no 4 there. Here 4 in the second row, so no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. All right. 259, 259. Okay. 99. Let me think. 259. Come on. 253. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. And look, we have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. Here, 3 in this column, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. So the 2 and the 5 are left. 2 and the 5, okay. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Well, now we have a 5 here. I've marked this box with 2 or a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5 and this box should be a 2. 1 and a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2, 5, 9. Okay. 1, 5, 3, 1, 5. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Then 9, 2, 5. Okay. 1, 5, 7. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 592. Okay. 597. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 1 and 7. Now we have a 7 here in the first row. So this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here in the first row. So this box can be 1 and more. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 1 and the 5. Now we have a 1 here in the first row. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9. 5 and the 9. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 5 in this column. 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And I find no two numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. We have a 2 in this column. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Well. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again very soon. Maybe in a minute. Until then, bye-bye for now.